So Baroque music is basically music that is designed to move the passions. It's to make people feel emotions, all sorts of different emotions. And so some Baroque music is dance music, and some of it is the most glorious, searing melodies. And you have the most incredible composers, Handel, Bach, Vivaldi, Monteverdi, all of these people, and all they were trying to do was to move people. And that's the essence of Baroque, sometimes in quite surprising ways, because the word Baroque itself even means slightly bizarre and outlandish. With the genius of the Baroque concert, what we've tried to do is to give a taster of some of the instrumental and vocal music from some of the great masters. We've largely chosen Handel for this because he wrote such a variety of music. So we have arias and we have concerti grossi, and it's to allow the students to examine and explore this amazing and very eloquent musical world. So an understanding of Baroque style is really important nowadays for students who want to go into the profession, and it's actually an understanding of a lot of different styles because it's a period that lasts nearly 200 years, lots of different countries, lots of different ways of performing. And we're really fortunate that we have a lot of expertise here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, both with myself but also with Rachel Podger, is one of our esteemed colleagues who comes in, and she's coming with Bergerac quite soon to do a concert. So the students will get to work with her and the audiences will get to hear this amazing repertoire played by the finest musicians in the world.